Exercise 3F. Again, this exercise is about factorization, but the type is 4. Type 4 means midterm break method. So I will explain this method by explaining one question from the exercise. So question number 1, G part. B square plus 11b plus 28. So first of all, you will see, can we apply type 1 here? Type 1 is by taking a common factor. So is there any number which is common in these three terms? No. There is no common factor between these three terms. It means we can't apply type 1 here. Now, you will see that. Can we apply type 2 or type 3? Type 2 and type 3 means identities. So for identities, you have to see the first term and the last terms. These should be the perfect square form. So here the first term is the perfect square, but our last term is not in perfect square form. 28 is not a perfect square. So you can't apply type 2 and type 3 also. So only the type which is left is midterm break method. So in this process, you will divide the midterm, or you can say we shall split 11b into two pairs so that the expression may have 4 terms and each pair of the terms may have a common factor for it. Do as explained below. Number 1. First of all, find the product of the coefficient of b square, that is 1, and the constant term, that is 28. So first of all, you will multiply the coefficient of b square, which is 1, and the constant term, which is the third term, which is 28. So 28 into 1 is 28. So in the second step, you will find all the possible factors of 28. These factors can be 1, 28 times, 2, 14 times, 4, 7 times. So now you have to select one best option when you can add or you can subtract also. Actually, you have to find the midterm. Your midterm is 11. So when you will add 7 and 4, your answer is 11. When you will add 14 and 2, your answer is 16. When you will add 28 and 1, your answer is 29. But you need only 11, and you want to divide the mid portion, which is mid portion of the equation. As in the equation you can see here, our mid term is 11b. So you want to divide this term into two portions with the help of these factors. So 11 equals to plus 7 plus 4. So in third step, you will select two factors of 28 such that their sum is 11. That's why we are selecting 7 and 4. So clearly these factors are 7 and 4. Now here is the solution. B square plus 11b plus 28. It can be written in this form also. B square plus 7b plus 4b plus 28. Here you can easily see plus 7 and plus 4 equals to 11b. So you can write 11b in this form also. Now again by the same method, we are applying here type 1. In the first two terms, b is common, and in the next two terms, 4 is common. So, in the last step, the factors are b plus 4 and b plus 7. Question number 2. J part 6b square plus 7b minus 20. So first of all, we will multiply the first coefficient of b square with the last term, that is 20. So 6 into 20 is 120. So you will find all the factors of 120, and these factors you can write in this way also: 1, 120 times, 2, 60 times, 3, 40 times, 4, 30 times, 5, 24 times, 6, 20 times, and 8, 15 times, and 10, 12 times also. But now with the help of these factors, you have to divide the midterm in two portions. For example, here the midterm is 7p. It means you need plus 7. So if you add 120 plus 1, it is 121. Then 60 plus 2, 62. Then 40 plus 3, 43. 30 plus 4, 34. 24 plus 5 is 29. 20 plus 6, 26. 15 plus 8, 23. And 10 plus 2 is 22. So your answer, you need plus 7. Plus 7 is not coming by adding all these factors. It means you have to subtract. Now you will subtract all these factors. 120 minus 1 is 119. 60 minus 2, 58. 40 minus 3, 37. 30 minus 4, 26. 24 minus 5, 19. 20 minus 6, 14. 15 minus 8, 7. And in the last factor, 10 minus 2 is 2. But we need only 7. It means 7 is coming only in this pair. 15 minus 8 is 7. We need only this factor, this pair. So in the next step, you have to select the two factors of 120 such that their sum is plus 7. So these can be plus 15 and plus 8 also. Minus 15, minus 8, you can also take this option. And minus 15 plus 8, plus 15 minus 8. It means after selecting the pair of the factors, you can check these possibilities also. We are taking all the possibilities with different signs. Here in the given equation, the midterm is plus 7. It is coming only with this option. It means in all these type of questions, you can check these options, these all different options with different signs, and then you will select only the right option, which is plus 15 and minus 8, which is equals to plus 7. Now, clearly these factors are minus 8 and plus 15. I have already explained. Now, here is the solution. 6p square plus 7p minus 20. So 6p square plus 15p minus 8p minus 20. It means 7p can be divided in these two portions, plus 15p and minus 8p. Now, again, by using type 1, you can easily solve this expression. 3p is common between these two terms. So inside the bracket 2p plus 5 is left, and in this third and fourth term 4 is common, so 2p plus 5 is left. So again 2p plus 5 is common, so you can write 2p plus 5 into 3p minus 4. And now in my next lecture I will explain exercise 3.